Debt, skuld, skoloto, mashonisa, call it what you want. If debt and loans were the solution, South Africans would not have been stressed. Borrowing money to survive isn't living, it is drowning, it is financial suicide. The real shift happens when income changes, when you realize that there is more than traditional income in life, that you should actually build assets. And this is exactly what Dewpoint has been offering South Africans since 2016. A legitimate, licensed, regulated way to earn an asset-based recurring income. No credit, no loans, no skoloto, no mashonisa, and certainly none of these get rich quickly nonsense. Can you answer me this? How serious are you to get out of this debt cycle? If you are really tired, WhatsApp me 062-175-0825 and I promise to send you the free information that got me started.